and we are blessed, really blessed, to have a wonderful country that we have. We may have challenges. I keep telling fellow Kenyans, we may have challenges at the moment, but the challenges are momentary. Some of the problems we have are man-made. They have come as a result of the way we have mismanaged ourselves. Not all is lost. I know some of these things are depressing. You know, we have university students who have deferred their studies, they can't do exams because they have no help and so on and so forth. It can be very frustrating. When you go out to the rural areas, people tell you gory stories. I don't have time to go into details about people I met. I meet waiters, you know, who come to you and tell you, look, I have a parent who was admitted in hospital. The bill is 600 and something. She can pay, I don't know, that something or whatever it is. I need, you know, to bridge this finance and so on. These problems are momentary. They are not eternal. They are not forever. Some of the things you see happening in our country, or some of the mistakes and mismanagement issues that have involved the leaders that we have currently, have nothing to do with the country. So we should have hope in our country. We should never lose hope and never accept to be divided, because the characteristic of all bad leaders, when there is a crisis, they will either blame someone else or they will try to divide the people as a way of blocking reality and trying to divert attention and so on and so forth. We should never accept that. We should keep together, work together, because that is how we are. We are a resilient country. We will overcome this, and by God's grace, we will cross the bridge and hopefully and blessedly be the ones who are given the opportunity to run government, and we will fix this situation and move forward.
Thank you, Daktari, kwa kupata nafasi kuongea.